We are out here, the coldest day it's ever been
my entire life.
I think it's about 2 degrees right now with the wind chill. My hands are frozen. Got the crane, got the soak pool on its way in. See if we can get this installed without one of us freezing to death. Oh my God!
With this bonus check, I'm putting in a swimming pool.
There he is, master himself, Ryan, with trusty sidekick Jose. Do you think it could possibly get any colder out today?
What do you do for a living?
I lift things up and put them down.
Excuse me?
I lift things up and put them down.
That's right, okay.
Thank the Lord, that's finally over.
Praise God, baby.
It is 2 degrees, freezing. I think it might be against the law.
Lay out right here. Do it. Do it. Do it.
Alright, so it's been a couple of days since I've been out here. See what's going on. Checking up on the progress. Let's see what they got done. We got some steppers going in. This is gonna be a flagstone walk, adding steps going back into there. We got the pool in last week. Out here trenching the whole way for all our lines to run over to the control box right there. Alright, looks like we are rocking and rolling. It has been absolutely
Frigid.
the last 2 weeks. Still in the last week of February right now, and somehow it's almost 60 degrees outside. Another glorious February day. Gonna be in the 60s. 60s for the rest of the week until it turns to March this weekend. After last week and the week before when it was in the single digits. I have to say this is a pleasant surprise. I know the guys are definitely enjoying it. Looks like we've got quite a bit of dirt. It's a perpetually growing pile of dirt. Holy moly guacamole. Dirt, and more dirt. Most of which we're probably gonna have to use to fix up all this mess. All these trucks coming in and out, and the crane, etc.
Life's a garden, dig it, you make it work for you.
Almost forgot, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more.